everybody. I'm cleaning my room and I have a surprise. A typewriter. Oh, is it jammed? Nope. Oh, wait, I think it is jammed. Oh, jeez. Yeah, there's some stuff going wrong with it. There. Oh. As you can see, it has no ink in its ribbon. So, yeah, that's what we're dealing with now, because my mom bought a new ribbon and it's supposed to come today. And for anyone who watches this in the future, today is Friday. Yeah, my room is still pretty much a mess, but do you think my typewriter is cool? Oh, wait. Oh, did you know space bars existed? Yep. Oh, guess it's done. Yeah. That's how typewriters work. Oh, and do you want to know what these are for? These are to hold the paper back so you can read back your work. Well, remember to like and subscribe. Bye.